In this video, I will show you how to disable recent searches on Windows 11. So to get started, go ahead and click on WinR into your keyboard to be able to open the Run application. And then in here, go ahead and enter regedit. And then in here, click on yes. And then once you have clicked on yes, you can go ahead and access the registry editor. So in here, navigate to H key under current user and then slash software slash Microsoft slash Windows slash current version and slash search settings. So once you have entered this, go ahead and find is device search history enabled and then double click it. Set the value to 0 and then disable search history. After that, go ahead and restart your PC to apply the changes. And that is how you can basically disable search history or recent searches on Windows 11.